back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced concealer and I just used that as an eyeshadow primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid and then I set it in place with translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. The first shade that I went in with is the shade Eden. And I picked it up with a big fluffy brush and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. Next, I went in with the eyeshadow in the shade Amber, and I picked it up with a defined angled brush. And I put that shade a little bit above my actual crease, starting to map out where I want to add depth. And I like using a defined angled brush because you have very specific placement. And then I went back into the shade Eden with a fluffier brush and I just went in circular motions and back and forth motions to really blend that line out. And then I went in with the deepest brown eyeshadow in the palette and I picked it up with a defined angled brush. And the beauty of using a detailed brush is that you already have kind of that trace of where you previously applied the eyeshadow. So I just went directly over top of where I applied that line previously, and then I went into a fluffier brush with the shade Eden and Amber and I just blended that line out, because even though we want it to be nice and defined, we still want it to be blended. And then I went in with that deeper brown shade once again and I started to add depth on the inner and outer corner, starting to create that halo effect on the eye. And I find that going in with concealer on the center part of the lid is what really ties this look together. So I went into that same Too Faced concealer and I just cleaned up the very center portion of the lid, and I feel like practicing is going to make this part the best. This is kind of like one of the hardest looks to create in my opinion, but I find that when you just work with very little product at a time, it's really hard to mess up. And then I went in with my NYX glitter primer and my Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter in the shade Star Power. And I just packed that on the inside of the lid. For lashes, I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes. It's our lash brand. I'll always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check our brand out. But I went in with the style Bahama. Then I went in with this white pencil from Colourpop and I just put that in my waterline. And it really just opened up the eye. And then I went in with the shade Eden and I just put that on the lower lash line from inner corner to outer corner. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!